In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to toggle the unsubscribe link setting in HubSpot so your emails stay compliant and consistent across your account. Start by logging into HubSpot and clicking the settings icon at the top. This will open your account settings. Next, from the left sidebar, go to Objects and then select Activities. Scroll until you find the Unsubscribe Links section. Now, look for the option that says Apply the same unsubscribe link settings for all users and enable it. This ensures everyone on your team follows the same rules. After that, find the toggle for Include Unsubscribe Text and Link for all users. Turn this on if you want every email to automatically include an unsubscribe link. If you ever need to remove it, you can toggle it off, but HubSpot will ask you to confirm since this affects compliance and email best practices. Once you've made your changes, scroll down and click Save to apply the settings. And that's it. You've successfully managed the unsubscribe link setting in HubSpot, helping you stay compliant while keeping your email experience consistent.